So, we're buying Dylan his most requested contest cake.
Cake!
Wait, Dylan, let me get the knife.
How about the scissors?
Let's put a knife here. Litihan ko ba ba? What?
Whoa!
Okay, because we put naman the kuan. Tita Isi put naman the...
The green?
Yep.
Pistachio.
So here are the petals. Here, Baba, give me your hand.
Okay.
Give me your hand.
I wash it.
No. You show mommy. Mommy will look like that lang. Okay. These
Sprinkle
are
na,
edible.
sprinkle.
Yeah, sprinkle it.
I need
Sprinkle
to
it,
put
baby.
properly.
Edible petals. Sprinkle it, baby. Oh, put the design. These are yummy petals.
Let me see.
Okay. You sprinkle.
Ooh.
Okay, sprinkle anywhere you want. Okay, put it in the side, Bob. Do not touch it. Put it on the
I
side.
accidentally touched
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Oh, it feels so goofy.
Goofy? Is it goofy? Wow!
I know, it's so goofy.
It's so
looking.
goofy, right?
It's so goofy looking.
It's so goofy looking.
Ooh.
The mountain, full of wonders.
Let's check. Oh, it's kinda... Oh my, it's just a tiny one. So let's
That's
see.
fine.
They said that... I thought it's hard to get. Hard to get, niba? My God.
It's so goofy.
Look at the
Let me check what's inside.
taify. Yeah. Look.
Ooh.
And let me try. Let me try this one.
Wait lang.
Yummy.
Mmm.
Taste.
How was it, Dylan?